Hello everyone, this is Sheldon from Acntruck Vehicle and Machine Company. Today we are showing you the Backhoe whole loader shipped to Mexico. Okay, let's go. The working device is a wide-distance tubular boom with a higher loading capacity, and the loading bucket capacity is 1 cubic meter, and the digging bucket capacity is 0.3 cubic meters. The model has the advantage of a comfortable and safe cab, and the model can be equipped with different tools to achieve the rapid replacement and the high working efficiency. The XC870 is a backhoe loader produced by XCMG, and the model is equipped with Cummins engine as a standard and the Yanmar engine as optional. It has characteristics of low fuel consumption and low noise. XC870 can meet oil needs of various working conditions. This is all content today. If you have any requirements, please contact us. Thank you for watching.